Today, we're tackling something big. Sonic price prediction. Is this the next big crypto? Yep, Sonic, formerly Fantom, is cooking hard, and we're here to find out if it's your ticket to Valhalla. Could Sonic hit $2? That's what our thumbnail's teasing, and I promise we'll dig into that juicy question. Whether you're new to crypto or a pro trader, stick with me. I'll break it all down in plain English. We've got hot updates from the Sonic ecosystem and a deep dive into the charts that could change your game plan. Ready to see what's up with Sonic? Let's roll. So, what's cooking around Sonic lately? Let's start with some jaw-dropping numbers. Sonic just crossed over 120 million transactions. Pretty incredible, right? That's a huge sign that people are using this network like crazy. And it doesn't stop there. They've also hit over 47,000 token contracts, meaning developers are flocking to Sonic to build and launch their apps. Every single one of those transactions runs on S-Token, pumping life into the ecosystem. It's like watching a city spring up overnight. But it's not just about stats. Sonic is making moves. They've rolled out Sonic Gems, a reward system that's got the community cooking. Apps driving activity, like Silo Finance, Beats, and Shadow Exchange, are earning gems based on how much they get users involved. Meanwhile, users holding whitelist assets are racking up Sonic points. And here's where it gets interesting. 30 million S-Gems are live for the taking. You can claim them two ways, either through tokenized gems at soniclabs.com, where 50% is yours now and the rest trickles in over 3 months, or through apps distributing non-tokenized gems with the same deal. Season 2 airdrop is also on the horizon, so this party's just getting started. Oh, and Sonic's not going it alone. They've teamed up with Pyth Network to bring rock-solid price data to apps on the blockchain. That's a big deal for DeFi. Think smoother trades and fewer headaches. Plus, Shadow Exchange dropped 125,000 S tokens in incentives across pools like wrapped Ethereum USDC and SUSDC. More liquidity means easier trading, and that's gold for anyone jumping into Sonic. Hedgehog Protocol's soft staking Epoch 2 is another win. If you hold S or wrapped S, you can earn HOG tokens just for sticking around. It's like getting paid to cheer for your favorite team. And get this, Sonic Labs is gearing up for a governance vote on institutional access and expansion. If it passes, we could see new financial products and Sonic hitting the US market big time. July was a wild month too. Think exclusive merch with Formula One driver Pierre Gasly, Sonic on Ledger, and the Sonic Spark for AI-powered Web3 apps. Sonic's not just growing, it's exploding. Alright, let's switch gears and talk price, because that's what you're here for. We're zooming into the Sonic USD chart on a 3-day time frame, which gives us the big picture without all the daily noise. Picture this. Back in February, Sonic hit a peak around $1, then slid down to a low of 25 cents in June. Since then, it's been chilling around 30 to 40 cents. Right now, it's at that 30 cents edge. But where's it going next? Let's break it down. First up, I've drawn a Fibonacci retracement from that February top to the June bottom. It's like a treasure map showing us key price levels. These are spots where the price might hit a wall, or blast through if the bulls take charge. Right now, we're below the first hurdle at 42 cents. If Sonic can climb past that, 53 cents is the next big test. There's also a descending trend line, a yellow line sloping down from February. It's been a tough ceiling, rejecting the price in May and July. For S to soar, it's got to punch through this line. Imagine it like a lid on a pot. Pop it off, and the steam's free to rise. Now check out the green rectangle. That's our buy zone, between 25 cents and 32 cents. It's where I'd scoop up more S if I'm playing it smart with dollar cost averaging. Buying a little at a time to smooth out the bumps. The price is just at the sweet spot. What about cashing out? I've circled 5 take-profit zones in green. 50 cents, 70 cents, $1, $1.50, and $2. If Sonic breaks that trend line, I'd trim some at each level. Maybe 20% at 50 cents, another chunk at 70 cents, and so on, locking in gains while letting the rest ride. Once we're in profit, I'd trail my stop loss behind the price to protect what I've earned. But here's the flip side. If S crashes below 24 cents, that red dashed line, on a weekly close, this bullish idea's toast, and I'd cut my losses. Still, I'm keeping a long-term stash because I trust Sonic's team to deliver down the road. On the left, that pink and blue bar is the volume profile, showing where the most trading's happened. The point of control, the busiest price, is 52 cents, right near that 382 Fibonacci level. It's like a magnet pulling the price in. Could be a battleground if we get there. Down below, the Heikinashi RSI indicator is hovering near neutral, but dipping slightly bearish. It's a momentum gauge, and this little dip says, watch out, in our buy zone. Things could slip before they climb. If it flips bullish, that's our green light. Here's a bonus observation. Volume's been quiet lately during this sideways dance. Low volume can mean the sellers are tired. Great news if buyers step in with some muscle. A big volume spike could confirm a breakout. And if Bitcoin rallies, Sonic might ride that wave too. We've uncovered a thriving ecosystem. 120 million transactions, killer partnerships, and a shot at institutional gold. Plus a chart packed with potential. Whether Sonic hits $2 or tests our patience, you're now armed with the facts to make your move. Love this deep dive. Smash that like button, drop your thoughts below. Will Sonic be the next big crypto? What's your price target? And you are crazy if you are not subscribed to my channel yet. So, destroy that subscribe button for more daily crypto yield pro goodness. Oh, and check out our last video. Link is on your screen. You don't want to miss that trade setup. Crypto is risky. I'm not a financial advisor. So do your homework, and I'll catch you later in the next one.